y'all, I just wanted to share some of this with you. I'm not gonna plant anything over here in this area this year. It's just too hard to upkeep, but the garlic seems to have come back in this old sandy stuff. But yeah, this is all hard as a rock, this stuff here. But last year, I had all kinds of stuff planted through here. I mean, I can't tell you the amount. You have to go look at my playlist on the failures of last year's garden. But you'll have to excuse me. I'm weeble wobbling through the yard here, trying not to fall. I'm not using my cane. I'm trying to do my best. But this right here, I had beautiful cherry tomatoes. But when the rain came, it just washed it all out and stuff. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, but I just wanted to show y'all what I've been working on my physical therapy. Y'all may not think it's much. Some might think it's way too much. Others might think, well, whatever. But to me, it's a big deal because if I don't, try and push myself, I'm going to end up in a place I don't want to be that's detrimental to my livelihood and my well-being. But anyway, this is just a little video to kind of show y'all what I do and, the minimal that I can do, especially with the issues that I'm having. Y'all that know me know what I'm talking about. Go check out some of my playlists and you'll figure it out. But I figure, I'll just pull this out a little bit because them sunflowers did so well, and I'm sure there's a lot of nutrients because look at all that beautiful grass that's coming up. And I'll put that out there in the alley and stuff. But I figure, I'll plant something here. Probably some more flowers, maybe even some more sunflowers. But I'm going to have root vegetables through here. And then I'm going to correspond with some flowers, up against the back part of the fence back there. And stuff. But the dirt's starting to come alive. It's looking so much better than it was. This is how it looked last year, like this. Just like this. And with me composting and doing the things that I do old-fashioned, I don't have any store-bought fertilizer in here. I've got to pretty much, use what I got in the house as far as composting vegetable peels, rotten fruit, things like that for the worms. But anyway, yeah, this is my little domain. Like I said, this is not my house, so don't think that I got all that. I ain't got a pot to piss in or when to throw it out. I'm just making the best use of my time. Yeah, I'll just put it down there on the ground and let it dry out or rot some more, and then I'll take it and shovel it under. I've been doing this all year. But man, I have pulled some major worms out since I started working on this. And I thought, well, worms are a good sign, yeah, worms are a real good sign for your dirt. The darker, the better, of course, so you can kind of see what's going on here. But I really hope y'all enjoy this video and everything. Leave a comment down below on some of the little things that you do that's outside the box on your garden. I'd like to know because I'm always learning. Man, I tell you what. Take a break. We'll be right back after these messages. Okay. Y'all see this onion right here? My granddaughter used it last night in homemade chili. Left it out on the counter. Funny thing about onions, though, when you leave them out on the counter, they pull in all the toxins from the room. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one, and because it's still got that on there, I'm going to put it in the ground. Just like it is, here in just a little bit. After I get this digging done. This is your commercial break. Stay tuned for the real turning over ground story. Oh, Lord help me.